you are tired of getting spam calls and just want to block someone, here's how to block a number on Android fast and easy. So first method is to block from recent calls. You have to open your phone app and go to recent tabs. Then you have to find the number you want to block and then tap it and hold on it, like depending on whatever phone you are using. You will see a option that says block or block report spam, like something like that. Like if I hold on that, I can see report or block spam. I can click it, and if I confirm it, I will no longer receive calls or texts from this number. Like I will block it, so I will no longer receive phone calls or messages from that number. And if this number is saved in your contacts, then you have to go to contacts app and find the number and tap on the name and hit the three icons at the top right. Select block number and then confirm. You can go to phone settings and /block numbers. Here you can manually add a number to block, even if it never called you. You can also toggle on block unknown callers to silence all the numbers that are not in your contact list. It is useful if you are dealing with a lot of spam, and that's it. No more unwanted calls or messages from random numbers. If this helped, tap on like, hit subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more quick Android tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.